You want to cook?
Yes.
What do you want to make?
I want to cook.
Okay, you want to cook?
Yes.
Let's go. Hi beautiful people. Welcome back to my channel. Today you're going to be cooking with my daughter, Nana. She was so hyped to be cooking today, so that's her little happy dance. So today we're going to be making cornbread. In a bowl we're going to add some sour cream, which she was clearly struggling to get in a bowl. Of course I had to help her, and people, please do not bash us, as this is something we made for our home and our home only. So if you see her eating it or anything, we're not giving it out to any stranger or anything. So I do not hear none of that. That's why you don't eat at people's house shit. Nobody got time for that. But you're gonna add in melted butter, some sugar. I'm also gonna go ahead and add in some milk. I added in, this is canned evaporated milk, which of course she had to try because she can't help herself. So there she goes, dumping it all in. Gonna give it a little bit of a mix. Although we had other stuff to add in, Chef Nana just could not help herself. She just wanted to mix everything. So there she goes, mixing everything together. Having a little bit of a struggle trying to get the eggs in there. So of course Mama had to help, but this child just wanted to squeeze the juices out of the eggs. I don't know what she was, going for, but she wanted to get everything. And of course, you gotta let a child be a child. Of course, she's gonna clean her little hands and go right ahead and stirring. So there she goes, stirring her little mix in there. So I used cream cheese because I did not use heavy cream, so that like the cream cheese kind of substitutes for the cream cheese. So if you have heavy cream, you can go ahead and use heavy cream and a little bit of milk too. And the sour cream is definitely optional. You don't have to use that. We're gonna go ahead and pour in a box of Jiffy mix in here, and you're gonna stir that up too in everything till you get that not too thick, not too watery consistency. Just like you see it here. It does not have lumps, guys. It's just the cheese. I did not put it out for long, so it was still a little bit frozen when I put it in there. So it's very, very smooth, and it was so good. So there she goes, stirring it. I'm so proud of my baby because I did not think she was gonna sit through this, but she actually did. She made everything. I'm not even exaggerating. She did make everything. So in our foil, we sprayed a little bit of cooking oil in there. You can use butter, and then you're gonna go ahead and pour your mixture in there. I had my oven already preheated to 325 or 325. And then you're gonna just put this deliciousness all right in there and let it bake for 30 to 35 minutes. You're gonna of course check it with a fork to make sure the middle part is good. And when you take it out of the oven, you melt some butter on top so it soaks in all that juiciness. And by the way, this is sweet corn. You can of course sweet cornbread. You can of course add your jalapenos, however you make your cornbread. Just look at how soft and moist this is. It's so moist in the middle. It was so good. It was so good. My daughter was so proud of herself. Told her to give me a thumbs up, but she was just hyped. She was too hyped to eat, and it was of course too hot. So, but after the second test, she had so much. I had to add a little bit of ice cream to it, of course, because that's what she asked for. Let me tell you, this child tore it up. Even when I went ahead to dig in the whole pan when I turn around. If you did like this video, please don't forget to like and subscribe for more videos. We love you guys, and we hope you loved and enjoyed your time with us. And let me know how it goes when you make it. All right, peace out. We love you.